Tired of chasing material orders? Gatsy keeps every order, vendor, and document in one place, so nothing falls through the cracks. Let us explore the Orders module, where we can manage vendor information, orders, packer receipts, prelim forms and entities, and service agreements. In the Vendors tab, businesses can add all the vendors they do business with. Clicking on the Add Vendor button opens up a form where users need to submit the vendor information to save it to the system. Clicking on the Add Vendor button will add the vendor to the system. Users can filter the vendors based on the vendor type. They can also use the search feature. The Orders tab helps administrators request or send an order request to a vendor. Click on Create Order to send an order or quote request to a vendor. Users can select between a direct order and a request for a quote. This page requires information such as the job and customer the order is needed for, shipping location, vendor, and additional notes. Vendors require a bill of materials that specifies what you need the quote or order for. It can be a hassle to prepare this entire sheet of materials and to manage the format. Gatsy is equipped with smart, AI-powered tools throughout the application to streamline operations. Users can ask the AI to generate the bill of materials. All this tool requires is a raw text of materials needed along with the quantity, unit, and the material name. AI parses your text and can pull the correct material from the database. Ask for any changes you wish. Verify each time whether your requested changes were implemented. Once satisfied, hit Generate File. An Excel file will be generated, and users can preview it as well. The preview may not reflect the exact format, but it provides detailed information about what the file should contain. You can always download the file and view it in Excel to see the exact format. Clicking on Attach to Order will attach this bill of materials to the order. Once everything required is filled in, users can click on Request Quote to send the request to the selected vendor. The quote request will be emailed to the vendor. This is how it looks on their end, along with the bill of materials file attached to the email. Once the vendor provides a quote, and if it is favorable for the business, admins can accept it or deny it based on their decision. This is how vendors automatically receive an email from the system about the order confirmation once the quote is accepted. Let us explore the Packers tab. This comes in handy when you need to store packing receipts in the system. Let us see how a packer slip can be added to the software. In the new packer form, a few information are needed, such as the job, vendor name, sales order number, the packing slip or receipt file, and any additional note. Every document or file that goes through Gatsy is stored in your preferred storage provider, whether OneDrive or Google Drive, to reduce paper clutter. Let us explore the Preliminary Forms tab, where businesses can manage forms for their orders. Click on Add Prelim Form, which takes the user to a new page. This page requires various details such as job, vendor, address, owner of the project, customer, general contractor, etc., and importantly, the materials to be serviced. Once all required fields are filled in, clicking on Save Prelim Form adds the prelim to the system and sends the prelim information form to the vendor. Users can check a preview of this prelim form. There is one more page that manages entity templates, where contractors can manage all their bonding companies, owners, and other general contractors. Contractors can select the entity type to add the information and hit Save. Everything will be saved between the system and the storage provider, either OneDrive or Google Drive, depending on your preference. Similarly, the remaining prelim templates can be added using this page. Let us explore the Service Agreements tab. This page helps manage service agreements between clients and contractors. Hit the New Agreement button to add a service agreement to the system. Provide information such as client and provider details, time and payment details, site conditions, and scope of work. Once the required fields are filled in, hit Create Agreement to add the service agreement. We are now on the Google Drive page for this contractor, where Gatsy has been configured as the storage provider. Every module's information, including files and attachments, will be saved here. Our platform is designed to eliminate the back-and-forth juggling of paperwork, bringing everything into one powerful platform. Try Gatsy free for 30 days. Plans start at just $49 per month. Visit gatsy.ai and schedule a demo with us.